Well, we are in the midst of switching over to new power. Well, we're not going to switch over, but we're testing the new panel at the moment. We have power turned on the outside. We have power coming in. I've enabled this breaker, which just now has it going through the isolation transformer. So you can see the isolation transformer is using about 150 watts of power for its inductance. And then on the other side, we have 248 volts. And of course, there's no power being used and whatnot. So we're nice and clean there. And now I'm going to throw the ISO power breaker, because we do not have the main inverter or the genset installed. Well, genset's installed, but it's not wired, and obviously since we're on the hard, it's not going to run. But we have not put the main inverter yet. We decided we'd get the ISO power and everything, all that set up. So anyway, every breaker's off on here, and now we're going to do that. And gee, nothing happened because nothing else is on. So let's see. We were playing around the media room. So the media room, we should be able to turn some outlets on. So I'm going to turn an outlet on. Well, we should have starboard outlets. Should we go see if the starboard outlets are on? Yeah, we'll need the tester here. There's tester. That's a TFI tester. Like that. Okay, go stick that in. Well, I'll follow you. Go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Well. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see, starboard. Which side is starboard? Starboard's over here. So, we have... Hey, had power for a moment. Yep, there we go. I got power to the starboard outlet. At least that one. What about this one? Yeah, got power to the starboard outlet there. And how about back here? Yep, got power there. I don't know if this is starboard or port. We'll find out real quick because it's pretty close to that's starboard. So I think those...
TV one, or is that not?
That should not be powered yet. Yeah, no TV because we haven't turned the TV. And this TV over here should not be on. Yeah, we got two different places to TV. And none of those guys should be on. Yeah, these are definitely more port. You want to throw the port one on? So port media breaker on. Hey, we got power in that one. And no, I can't see it because of that. Oh, power. Power in that one. Power there. Power there.
Are we finished with the headsets?
Yeah, power there. Although, power there, and TV. Turn the TV one on.
The AV outlets?
Yeah, AV outlets. Got power there, and we have power there. Okay, cool. So that's good power. We get 3 lights here.
Yep.
Yeah, we got 3 lights. Don't want to do anything. So port stateroom, forward stateroom, master stateroom. Okay, well, so at least initially,
Do you want to try those, or we haven't? We haven't.
forward stateroom turned out. None of the lowers are actually wired. We're going to start playing with Salon and Pilot House, but I'm not going to keep filming. Because we're just going to be checking outlets every place and whatnot. We don't need to do the same thing. Oh, look, 2 lights. Anyway, so we got the start of the panel coming to life. Going to continue doing some checking and whatnot. So, later.